Multifamily Mindset
podcast. Think bigger.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Good morning and welcome once again to the podcast here with me, Dallas Pruitt. Today, I wanted to give you a little tool to help you combat imposter syndrome because, yes, it is real. It happens. And for most of us listening today, it's a pain we have felt. I mean, really, how many have you felt this pain of a thought like, I don't know what I'm doing? Or it's only a matter of time until these guys figure me out, right? These are ideas that creep in, and when they do and when we allow them to, our self-confidence diminishes. So yes, imposter syndrome is real, and the way to combat it is with a growth mindset. The same situation you found yourself in when you thought those things, you can actually replace those thoughts in similar situations in the future. Different thought would be, I don't know what I'm doing yet, and it's only a matter of time until I figure it out. It's different. This thought works. The previous one that we covered in the beginning does not. So today's invite is to be way more mindful of your thoughts, because when the imposter tries to speak up, the solution is to drown it out with a growth mindset. The truth is this, my friends, the highest form of self-confidence is actually believing in your ability to learn. The best weapon to combat imposter syndrome is a growth mindset. Have a great day, and we will see you guys back here again on the podcast tomorrow.
Multifamily Mindset
Podcast. Think bigger.